Right, this is the DeWalt vacuum cleaner. It's the DCV 580. There's the one with the H, DCV 580H, that has a coil around it so that you can plug it in. It's a coil, it's plug-in or battery, but the one I have is one without the plug-in, so that it's a little bit cheaper. It's a bare tool. It's without the battery. Again, it's the DCH. It's the DCV 580. There's a box, and right. So it accepts 18-volt. battery. I have the 18-volt battery. I got rid of the it's a lithium ion. I got rid of the nickel metal hydride batteries, which I had to replace like every other month. So I'm glad they came up with the they replaced it with the lithium ion, and it fits the same. It just fits all your 18-volt tools, which anyway, this accepts 18 volts or 20 volts. Yeah, and it's a bare tool. No button. And you can hear it's very loud. I had the smaller version also, and the smaller one it's even louder because it's, there's no place to put a muzzle, so it just blares out this high-pitched whine. So I have both of them. I actually sold the other one. I just sold the smaller one. This is the newer version of the vac that they had. The other one was a DCV 500, and the power switch was out to here, so you can, if you're holding it, you couldn't hit the switch without putting it down. Here you could just pick it up and just switch it on and off. The hose goes in the air goes in here, and you can take out the holes also completely and just turn it. So it's lift and pull, push it in and push it down, rotate. The air comes out of here. What else? It's got a little crevice tool. This thing here. Okay. Coil is actually pretty heavy. Yeah, it seems pretty heavy. Yeah, see, it doesn't stay. And anyway, you can use standard accessories too. Like I got this this pipe from another vacuum, and it just fits. No, I think I bought it separate. So yeah, you can extend it. Okay. You can put two of these pipes together, and that way you don't have to bend them down. And let's just see the strength of this guy. So yeah, it's pretty strong and loud, and it kills the battery in like I don't know, 10 minutes or whatever. I don't know, I didn't measure the time, but it doesn't last long. And again, it's a wet dry vac, so let's test the, I already tested the dry, let's test the wet. Here's a little bit of water. It's got a 2-gallon capacity here, but there's a filter that goes all the way down to like a couple of inches. So you wouldn't want to fill it up to like, 2 gallons unless you have to. But here's the water. So yeah, I drank it up. Yeah, drank it up pretty good. So drank all that water. What else? So I guess you can open it up and see what it did. See what the water did to this thing. All right. That's not bad. It didn't wet the filter. Actually, it did. You can see that. The original one had a drain hole on the side. I guess they figured it's a bad idea because I guess it gets messy, maybe leaks, I don't know. What else about this? It's really hard to take out the battery because this thing's in the way. Yeah, so that's just the inside of that. Right, so it's got a rubber seal here, and this twists off like a screw. Turn it left, and it's got a plastic ball here to protect it from, like, if it tilts over. Like if your vacuum tilts over, it'll just kill it. So I guess all the nasty stuff doesn't come out. Plastic ball here, and then you can replace the filter. The filter is replaceable. Turn it to the right to tighten it like a screw. So the air, the 30 stuff comes in here, and then after the filter, the air goes out here. Yeah, it's like the smelly stuff. Yeah, so it's very simple. It's just a switch that just switches off. There's no complicated electronics. Alright. One of the things I was thinking of doing is putting a motor speed controller on there. I was thinking either an Arduino pulse width modulator to control motor speed, although it'll, not sure if it'll drain power. Probably a transistor would be better. Transistor with a pulse width modulator, like a 555 timer or something. An oscillator. Try that. Alright, for the future. Thanks for watching. Good day.